So service fulfillment is a software category that's been growing steadily for the last 10 years or so, around 6 or 7% year on year. But in the last couple of years, maybe the last 12 months, we've seen some, it's really starting to hot up, and we're seeing some growth in some interesting areas. We've identified maybe 3 areas which we're using as a focus for our research for the next 12 months. So NFV, network function virtualization, is something that's having a large effect on service fulfillment and across the greater OSS environment. Down in the network management systems and in the OSS above it, we're seeing that vendors are trying to change their service fulfillment stacks in order to allow their operator clients to maximize the benefits that they're getting from introducing virtualized environments into their networks. So this is having a big effect in the whole service fulfillment environment, chiefly with the introduction of a service orchestration layer. So the service orchestration layer is something that's being developed within service fulfillment, and will have a big impact on the way that activation and inventory is done, but chiefly it'll have an impact on order management. The integration with the separate parts of service fulfillment there is something that we're going to be looking at over the next 12 months. Secondly, we're looking at cell tower management. Traditionally, asset management and field inventory is something that's been apart from OSS, but as operators are looking to have a full view of their network and maximize their spending and operational efficiency, they're tending to blend physical inventory and logical inventory together, so that they have this full view of installations and ongoing maintenance with field inventory. So it's something that we're bringing into the engineering systems area of service fulfillment, and we're going to be looking at a whole new bunch of vendors that are moving into the OSS world, and looking at the current OSS vendors that are spreading out into this physical inventory space. And we're going to continue to produce our market share reports, which are the leading industry source for service fulfillment information. We're tracking about 80 vendors at the moment, and all that information feeds into our forecast reports, which we are still working on annually.